When you first open Forms Central, or it's actually listed as a program called Adobe Forms Central, and notice Forms Central is all one word, this interface opens for you. Now within the My Forms tab, I do have a form that I created from a template, and it's called Blank Form, so it's listed within My Forms. So as you build your forms get added within this My Forms tab. But if you want to create a new form, we need to move over to the Create New Form tab. And that's exactly what I'm going to do, is create a new form. Now I can browse for these template files, and notice when I hover over them, it gives you the information of Use Template. So it's going to create a new form based on the template you're looking at. What I'm going to do is go down to the cake order form right here and click the Use Template button. What that does is create a new form that I can modify based on this specific template. Now, if I wanted to specify a particular item or category, I would want to do that within this area. So if I click Order, because I was looking at the cake order form, if I click Order, it gets into all of the templates that pertain specifically to creating an order. And if I scroll down, notice it says Create a Custom Form in case there isn't one that you want. I'm going to go up and use a pre-built template, and that's the cake order form, and click the Use Template button here. This is exactly the same as clicking that button if I had the All category showing all templates. So I'll go ahead and click that. What that's actually doing is pulling that out, creating a new copy from that template, and you'll see my interface looks different now that I've actually created the template. And I just clicked in this open area, and that little piece that was showing here is now gone. So we can take a look at the template itself. Now the idea behind these is this might be exactly what you want to do, but you can also use these as a base and fully customize them. So you can start with something like a cake order form, and I can end up creating a standard order form for whatever products I want. I can customize everything within this template. So when you're choosing a template, you want to take a look at the content and layout of the page. Try not to focus on the fact that, in this example, this is actually for ordering cakes. This would work well as any type of retail order form, not just for cakes. So that is how you can create a new form and move into the design piece within Forms Central. If I want to move out of this design or decide that this is not the one I wanted, what I do is go up here to the cake order form area and click the X right here. That will move me out of the design piece and right back to where I was before when I started. However, notice that form has been added within My Forms because this is the one I'm building. If I decide I don't want to use it at all, I simply select it and click the Delete key. It asks me if I want to definitely delete it, and it's now gone. So that is the Forms Central first interface that you encounter, and you end up in the My Forms tab. To create a new form, click on those words. It moves you out into the template area where you can choose a template based on a category, or if you want to look them all over, just click the All button. Once you find one that you want and hover over it, click the Use Template button, and that will pull that form down so that you can start customizing that form as needed. But that's an intro into the Forms Central program, and also showing you how to create a new form from a template within Forms Central.